The new Softouch Velvet Masking Tape is made of high-quality materials for working on delicate surfaces. Softouch Velvet Masking Tape comes in 4 different sizes. Tape 1 is 2 mm by 25 mm in length. Tape 2 is 6 mm by 25 meters. Tape 3 is 10 mm by 25 meters. And Tape 4 is 20 mm by 25 meters in length. Softouch Velvet Masking Sheets are 280 mm by 195 mm and include 5 sheets per package. The Softouch Velvet Masking Sheets with 1 mm grid on 280 mm by 195 mm sheets also contain 5 sheets per package. This range of masking tapes are specially designed for use on delicate paints and even decals, as they feature a low adhesion. The velvet masking sheets are slightly thinner than normal masking tape, allowing them to fit well despite having less adhesive. In this example, you can see how the tape does not damage the paper, even when hastily removed. In this example, Softouch Velvet Masking Tape was used on the bare metal finished surface of a T33. If a length of less than 2 mm is required, you can easily cut the tape with a sharp blade and a metal ruler, and carefully place the tape against the edge to be masked. Place the Softouch Velvet Masking Tape on both sides of the strip. Using tweezers, remove the thin tape to obtain a perfect line. After airbrushing the red markings, the surface was allowed to dry before removing the masking. The result is magnificent, and the velvet masking tape has no effect on the bare metal finish. One of the most important features of this tape is that it can be used over decals without fear of damaging the finish. Let's explore another useful example using a Softouch Velvet Masking Sheet. For this example, a circular mask was cut using a compass. The disc was then placed in the exact position of the marking. The remaining negative of the mask was cut off and carefully placed back around the circle, which was removed once the mask was in place. The remaining masking can then be set in place for each of the different colors to be applied. The airbrushed roundel was allowed to dry before masking was removed. The Softouch Velvet Masking Sheet 1 mm features a metric grid, ideal for precision work. The grid pattern makes it much easier to accurately draw any mask you may need. In this example, a complex numeral was drawn using the grid and cut using a blade and a metal ruler. The numeral was then carefully removed along with the interior portion and carefully set in place. Using small pieces of masking, the outline of the number was easily applied and the portion to be painted removed. For this example, the number was airbrushed matte black. As you can see, the tape does not cause any damage to the finish, even when used on a delicate bare metal finish. With velvet masking tapes, anyone can add painted markings, giving you access to the many advantages that they hold over decals. Discover many more videos on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate notifications. Thank you for watching.